Oh man. Oh man. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, being a girl's hard.
Oh, no.
Oh, cramp. Ah, soda.
Hey, we're not ready.
Sorry.
Hey guys! It's time for something called Birchbox vs Ipsy.
Yes.
And we're not going to draw this intro out. No, no, no. We're going to get right into it.
So give this video a thumbs up, man. New hair, new me. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy unboxings. I go through phases where I'm like, should we still do these? But ultimately, I still enjoy getting them and I still want to do them.
We're going to have a whole convo with you guys about our struggles with the tubes. And just look for that video because it's coming.
Also, in the news. Yes, I watched that. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell, and you want those notifications even when you're sleeping. So even though YouTube wants to turn notifications off from night to morning, you want them. But anyway,
if you want to take a break, no, I have it set to don't ever ask me if I want to take breaks. You don't know my life.
Is that a
If
thing?
I want to watch YouTube for 10 hours straight, that's what I'm gonna do with my day. You don't know my life. So
okay, let's jump to unboxing, shall we?
And if you guys have any questions about our YouTube struggles and you want your questions answered, leave them in the comments, and when we do that video where we discuss our struggles and pains, we can already have some in the...
next year's 10 years.
I know. It's
a thing.
Yeah.
It's a thing. Okay. Which one do you want to do first?
Ipsy, because I really want to know... No, Birchbox.
Birchbox?
Birchbox. Okay, listen. They're $10 a month. We'll have links down below where you guys can sub up if you want to these bags.
We also usually link the products down below, so if you're interested in just the product in and of itself, we'll have those linked down below, so you can check those out.
We also tell you guys what the full value is of each of the boxes, so like, not the full size value, but like the actual products we get. You guys can see like which one's a better bang for your buck. Yeah. And any of our clothing
also listed. Usually for Madison and Mallory.
Like our tops today.
Because we have like a, it's...
Oh my gosh, I said we weren't gonna drag this out, but just two more little quick things, okay? We have our Facebook exclusives group where you get free shipping if you pay your invoice in the first hour, and pieces are there that are not on our website.
Bonus, we now have an app for that specific group, which we will have linked down below. Still get free shipping, still get exclusive items that are not on our website or on our website's app.
You can also search by your size, so that's cool.
You can.
For like what's in stock.
And whenever we post new items, you'll get an alert that there's a new item for you to go grab, because a lot of them will go fast, so you want to know as soon as one pops up.
Also, we're doing buy one get one half off denim on our website. Also, you like how I'm saying also?
Yeah.
We have a regular app for our website.
Yes.
If you guys didn't know. So both of those will be linked down.
Madison and Mallory is our regular app. M+M Exclusives is our Facebook group app. So
but they'll be linked down below, like where you can tell what's what.
Also, if you go to if you search
No. Also,
if you search Madison and Mallory and you find our original app,
it'll say other from the developer.
It'll say other from this developer. So you'll be able to see all of our apps because we're all under the same developer.
See how I knew that?
I also see how you do that.
Yeah. Time out while we open this. Oh wait, what does yours say?
Magnificent.
Mine's positive, like, you can do it, Tracy.
That's not a title.
No, it's not. No, I feel like I've been getting short end of the title stick.
Easy open, they said.
But mine are coming off in like entire chunks, so.
I can't. You know what? Forget traditional opening.
I had to say something. You almost knocked my cup over. It was the worst throw ever. Ooh! Okay,
but why does it make me think of avocados or eggs?
Ice cream or eggs. Like it's like ice cream cones of avocado eggs. Avocados.
It says soak in the sunshine. Maybe it's sunshine.
Maybe it's snow cones.
It's like soak in the sunshine, but then it's like get a yearly checkup and get your exams.
That's weird. Okay.
Fun. What are you?
Okay, you go first.
Whee! I mean,
so like we got this in something recently because you did the same thing.
Did I say we?
Yeah.
I'm so predictable.
Yeah.
This is different though. This is a volume spray. I got the like texture-y spray, I think. What is a volume spray even? Is it just hairspray?
In a spray.
Spray damp hair from root to tip before blow drying. So it's, I can't do it now. You want some bite?
My hair's not damp.
No, you can have it.
Oh.
Unless you have it. Do you have it?
Put it there first.
Oh, shoot.
Like you don't even remember how we do it.
Don't know how to do it.
Do I have it? Negative. I have sugar texturizing spray. That's kind of fun because salt texturizing sprays can be drying on your hair.
Sugar's supposed to be better, right?
It just bounced right into your box.
It went into my box. You know what that means.
It should be yours. Helps transform limp, lackluster strands into loose waves of soft, velvety texture with a sweet blend of sugar and flexible styling aids.
I couldn't have said it better myself for me.
There you go.
Is that turkey on the front or an owl?
I don't know.
Turkey owl? It's a turkey owl.
I don't know what it is. It's real bizarre.
Smells kind of good. I'm not too angry about it.
Not like how I expected it to smell.
Smells kind of like a campfire though also.
I don't know. Okay. Well, fun. I'm excited to try that. I've been trying to go more natural with my hair. My hair's actually really curly though. It's not wavy. I've got like, if I was a good curly haired person, I would know my curl type, but
I think yours is kind of in between because like it's real curly in some places and then it's like.
The reason it's not in those other places is because of damage.
But will you ever get back to it, you think?
If I grew my hair out and didn't heat damage it, when I was in high school, it was like ringlet town. Here, look, I'll show you. I'll show you what mine is. Did you just drool?
I was pursing my lips so hard, liquid slipped out.
Okay, I'm in some number 3.
What am I?
You're in the wavy. So you're a 2.
Why would I be a 2?
Because wavy hair is type 2. I'm between an A and a B.
That's what I was saying.
I'm like 3A, 3B. Whatever, we'll look at it later. Anyway, she's wavy, I'm curly.
This is a coconut cleansing milk by Georgette Klinger.
I wish they weren't so teeny. It's like a one-time use.
This is skin. Treat your skin to the luxury of natural hydration. Gentle cleansing milk twice a day. Bathe your complexion in calming grape and cucumber.
I want it to smell good.
It's open, I think.
Oh. It smells good. I like it.
It smells real good. I don't even know what it smells like. Ah.
Oh, fun. Be tan. It's love.
I thought it was fun.
Daily
fun.
moisturizer that makes me glow. Gradual tan and everyday body moisturizer that gives a hint of color. Stefanie and I have been very into wanting to look sun-kissed lately. And I'm not.
A little bit tan. My foundation looks pale.
What foundation are you wearing?
L'Oreal Pro Glow.
It's so funny because Maddie asked me today if I was tan and it's because I wore a darker... Wait, are you using 204?
203.
203. Whatever we normally use, 203.
203.
That's what I'm using, and she thought I looked tan.
The L'Oreal Pro Glow?
Yeah.
And mine looks paler than yours.
Yeah.
And I don't put any highlighter, not highlight. Like I don't put concealer anywhere except for right here. So it's like my face.
Your new lover. Use this every day and feel soft, silky, and a little bit special. No one else will compare. Cool.
Speaking of glow, I got some Glotion.
Nice.
It's Wander Glotion. It's like an illuminator. Skincare enriched hydrating lotion delivers beautiful sheer champagne gold. I want to see what kind of champagne gold you got.
Careful,
I gotta be careful.
Use
I'm
it
gonna
all
use
in
all
one
of it.
glow. In one glow.
Use it in one glow.
Get it? See what I did there? See what I did there?
Oh, there she is.
A full size of that one's $18, which is not so bad depending on what a full size is.
I mean, it's glowy a little bit, but like, you know, might clog your pores.
Might. Okay, next.
What else you got?
I have this Ico eyeliner, waterproof lash enhancing carbon black. Be a brush. Be a brush. It's not a felt tip. Be a brush. Be a brush. Be a brush.
Oh. Icos are not brushes. I mean,
oh, it's so black. The tip is not that fine. I can't get it real sharp. Like, see?
Yeah.
Whatever.
And I have to have a sharp tip. Like,
I mean,
to get...
It's real nice and dark black.
Like, I feel like I have a pretty even eyeliner look today.
Oh.
I've been loving the wings again. Like, loving. I looked back at old videos and I really enjoyed having, like, not a lot of eyeshadow on and a lot of eyeliner.
Yeah.
It's my favorite.
Not a lot of eyeshadow and a lot of eyeliner?
Yeah. Like a lighter kind of, like, maybe only 2 colors of eyeshadow and not, like, a deepening of the crease or anything. Just, like, a swipe of some eyeshadow and...
Yeah, that's my go-to cause time.
Cause blending takes too long.
Y'all, I'm gonna start tatting myself up every day with something different. Okay.
What are you? This is interesting. Okay.
Bath salts, don't eat them. Just kidding.
What?
Just kidding.
It says Wall Mewing Skin Elixir. I don't want to open it because it's so pretty.
I don't know that you can you? Oh, I thought it was like powder. Shut up.
Premium all-in-one skincare elixir blended with unique herb complex, L'Oreal family, Korea. Apply to clean, dry skin as a toner or a serum.
Did you say L'Oreal family?
No, Royal family of Korea. Do you smell weird? Okay, it smells like lemons.
but also kind of old.
It smells like lemons, like lemon water.
It says clean as a toner or serum.
Which I feel like toner to brighten your skin, it has lemon in it.
Yeah, maybe.
Guaranteed.
Well, there ain't no ingredients on that.
And everything on here is not English.
But it looks like it says whale myung. Whale myung.
Doesn't really say anything about what's in it.
Cool. Okay, clean, cool cotton. Okay, it's... I don't like getting fragrances that much at all, and this is a dabber.
Take it out. Like, take it and be like, I don't want them. Like, put it on your profile.
But then I gotta remember my login and like... You looked at it with like it was gross. It's just
I thought it was the metal coming off.
Oh, okay.
I looked at it with confusion. It smells like...
This is why I hate the dabbers.
You almost whacked yourself.
Oh, it smells like I rolled around in laundry. That was clean. Cool cotton.
Now that I've got like brown hair underneath, it's like, I keep seeing holes.
I know.
I was like, what is that? What is that?
Your hair.
What is that? What is that?
Your hair.
Anyways, I got KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Masks. I don't really use a lot of lip masks. I really just need some lip fillers.
I smell like laundry.
Yes. Does that look blurry?
I can't.
Had like
a little bit.
It was just a weird reflectiveness to it. You lip things.
I mean, Birchbox ain't thrilling me right now with their offerings. This is the I got that coconut cleansing milk. Same as Stefanie.
Same. So. Okay, that's a thing. Let's see what Ipsy's doing over here. Mine feels kind of bad.
Yeah, hers feels real
It's
bad.
probably just junk.
Such junk. Such junk. Name that movie down below in the comments.
You got the extras.
Yeah, but yours is stuffed full.
Actually, my zipper's broken.
Oh, zip it, and zip it back. I told you it was stuffed full. Yay. It's a cute bag, you guys.
It's like a postcard. I mean, like postage.
Yeah, cute. Well, I'll just talk about the thing that's on the outside of my bag.
Lucky.
Okay, this is 111 Skin, I guess, and it's a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask from 111 Skin, Harley Street, London. It is a hydrogel mask, enhances absorption of moisture to create a protective barrier that keeps skin perfectly hydrated. 24 karat damask rose extract, blah, 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 blah. I look like an alien wearing a crazy face mask.
I got my first thing, some skincare. Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum, replenish, smooth, and soften. This is one of my go-to moisturizers.
Is it a gel?
It's a serum though.
Serum. Oh.
Yeah. So I've never tried the serum.
Could be good for like...
It could be good for putting with my skincare stuff because I already have a moisturizer.
Right.
I don't really have a serum.
Yeah.
You know, gotta cover all the bases.
Dr. Lip, that original nipple balm, but it's for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. It's 100% natural, multi-purpose balm, gloriously rich treatment for beautiful, soft, luscious lips and any very dry bits. Long-lasting gloss, instant moisturizing effect, fragrance-free, additive-free, and so very kissable.
My nipples do get dry. Isn't it a nipple balm?
It says original nipple balm, but if you guys have any,
I'm not kidding. Nipples can get dry.
Okay, let's not talk about it. It's the suit socks. Okay, whatever. That's the thing. That's the thing.
Hashtag that eczema life. I got this skin rub face scrub. Oh, olive oil.
Skin rub.
All my cramps.
No.
Face scrub for all skin types. It's a mild, creamy formula with aloe vera and St. John's wort
Got that
oil.
St. John's wort.
It's like wort.
Wort.
It's like all natural-ish. It's got some leaf juice in it.
It's good.
You know.
It's good. Keep it natural.
Whatevs. Says olive oil.
Whatevs. Okay, what are you? Miami. Namaste by the pool. Oh, you a nail polish.
Ooh, I feel like we have not been getting nail polish.
I know. I think it's a blue color. It's a
jelly.
blue color.
That's so pretty. Can I paint mine with that at work today?
Maybe. Should I put this on my toes?
My toes are blue right now. I like it. I've been going back to blue.
Yeah. Fun.
I've been feeling the like fun nail polish. I have nail polish too.
Y'all, fun fact, we have a haul coming up. We got some nail polish and we haven't been doing that, but this makes me think of the Pacific Blue from Sally Hansen.
I love a good cobalt in the summertime.
Good stuff. Namaste by the pool.
I got one too. What color do you think it is?
I hope it's
I'll
not
tell
like
you the color.
ox blood or something.
I'll tell you the color and then you tell me what you think it is.
Do you know what I feel we get? I feel like we get tons of burgundies and like purples.
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna tell you what the color is called and you tell me what you think it is. Fresh picked.
Green. Pink. Pretty.
This is is like one of my go-to colors right now.
Yeah.
And this bottle is so dang nice.
It is cute. And it's got an elephant on it.
I love that color. Okay, I've been really digging super duper light pinks where it like almost looks white, but like this one's even a step forward because it really does look like a pink.
Mm-hmm.
They're so good when you don't really want to have colors on your... I'm excited. That's a good one.
There you go.
Ipsy.
All right, this is the NYX, it's a smooth, shoot. It's a soft matte lip cream in Cairo.
But like liquidy, like things are back.
Well, this is a soft matte lip cream.
Oh, it's matte.
Yeah, this I think has kind of the texture of that one that I used to...
Like it still moves, but the color is matte, right?
Yes, kind of like that one I wore a lot, Bare Minerals. Oh no.
Too pale.
I don't even want to swatch it.
Probably like concealer. It could be fun though. Have you ever seen people get real tan and use this? I think it's kind of fun.
Y'all, it's so pale. So pale. That's a thing. I don't know that it's a good thing, but it's a thing.
Okay, this is Painting Therapy Pack, Tony Moly. And it says sebum control.
Which is
that not
oil.
Yeah, I was gonna say, is that not like a fancy word for oil?
Yeah.
Black color clay. So it's like a...
Mask?
Yeah, it's like a black clay mask that helps with oily skin. So it's just interesting how it's done.
Yeah. Okay, next.
Fun.
It's the Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. So,
But I want to say that's the one that gave me flashback at the Backstreet Boys, but I'm not 100% sure.
if you guys have used this, tell me if you get flashback because Mama's not gonna be using it. She can't be having that flashback life.
Yeah. Although we don't use cameras with flashes usually. That was just a nighttime concert and we were like, woo! No.
Backstreet Boys.
I got lashes. Right?
They're real big.
They're real big. Huda booty.
Huda booty.
Huda beauty. When you give me something, it's like Huda.
The next word wants to
go but. Like I want to keep the same vowel sound. Huda beauty. This is
I don't know who that was.
This is Jade number 13 and it's faux mink. They're real pretty.
They're fancy.
Like, I need to put them on for fun. They're real pretty. I wish I could wear lashes. I don't think my eye size
really
lashes that big.
They're real long.
I just mean like my eyes. Like if I were to put them on, it would be like, cause like heavy and like my eyes are already kind of smaller eyes. So I don't know that, but
I need petite lashes. Like if you're a petite person, pretty much all of your dimensions are just smaller. Including your eyes.
We shrunk. We're still just so small.
Yeah. Like, I wonder if very tall girls have larger eyes and find that sometimes lashes are on the smaller side for them. I mean, it has to be.
I think it's so funny that when people meet us, they're like, you're so much smaller than I thought you were. I'm like, do you think I was like a giant or something?
5'4".
No, like a little bitty, tiny, little miniature version of what you thought.
I mean, like, not like tiny, but like tiny, like short. Okay. Which one do you think won? I know which one won.
Ipsy!
Yeah, I'm giving it to Ipsy because I got a fun face mask. I got a blue nail polish I'm excited to use. The Tarte product's good.
Serum, face scrub, nail polish. I got heavy skincare. I got
Honestly,
3 skincares, lashes, and nail polish, but it's fine.
I give a draw because I'm excited about the sugar spray, excited about the fake tan. The eyeliner's not bad. Yeah, it's a draw for me.
My problem, the cleansing milk, super excited about. The glow lotion, volumizing spray. I mean, I got your volume. Like, with just stick. This is second day old hair. I got your volume. I don't know what this is. That's a we'll see.
We want to know in the comments which ones do you think were better. Do you get Birchbox? Do you get Ipsy? All the links are down below there too because getting it done for you guys. Also, there's going to be a really fun vlog on TNS. I'd love it if you guys watched it.
A little BTS action.
I might even get it up. It's probably going to be tomorrow, okay?
It's okay.
I'm editing all the videos. It's going to be tomorrow. Because that's even all the Facebook stuff. Okay.
All right, guys. All of that, subscribe, thumbs up, and we will talk to you guys in videos super soon.
We sure dang well.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more unboxing videos like it, you can click the video on the right.
And if you missed our previous video, you can click that video on the left.
And if you still haven't subscribed, you can click that circular channel icon and it'll sub you right up.